Najprej sta mariborski župan Franc Kangler in direktorica pogrebnega podjetja Maribor Lidija Pliberšek takole slavnostno odkrila prvi spomenik, ki je posvečen padlim vojakom iz Prve svetovne vojne.
Da so tukaj pokopani vojaki iz druge svetovne vojne, iz Združenih držav Amerike in pa iz Velike Britanije. Prav tako smo pravzaprav v arhivih našli imena tisočih vojakov padlih iz Prve svetovne vojne.
Nato je sledila še odkritost spomenika, ki je posvečen padlim britanskim in ameriškim vojakom iz Druge svetovne vojne.
And I think for the UK, for British people to see that people in Slovenia still remember the dead from the UK and from elsewhere in the Commonwealth is a great help. It's a great succor to the peoples, to the individuals, to the soldiers' families, to know that the people of a country such as Slovenia still hold the cause dear to their hearts for which their families died.
And we're very grateful to Maribor for recognizing these Americans, for the small role that they played in this region in World War II. And you know, they're far outnumbered by people from other countries who are buried here. But we really appreciate the respect and the recognition that this plaque gives to them.
Sicer je Frejden še povedal, da se je bilo proti fašizmu vredno bojevati, zato po njegovem mir ni vedno najvišja vrednota. In kaj moramo storiti, da se bomo podobnim grozotam izognili tudi v prihodnosti?
I think it's important to have a multilateral approach to the world's problems, that we work together, Europe, the United States in particular, to jointly solve the problems that we face today.